you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, we're back with another video today. I told y'all we was going to try to clean this motor up. And I went to the old Blue app and I asked some reputable people. Well, I didn't ask them directly, but they told me this will work. And some of them said WD-40, and I guess it needs right here, so I'm gonna use both. It ain't quite WD-40, but this is the Harbor Freight brand. You know, which I could have got there, but I'm just trying to keep this out on the budget, so we're gonna see if it works anyway. So, got me a little towel and what else? They told me I could use baking soda and vinegar, but I'm not familiar with that. I try to ask how I need to apply it, because I don't know if you just sit the whole motor in there, but I don't think you do that. But anyway, you know, I ain't gonna try to take this whole thing off. But excuse me. I'm gonna do, I got some extra fine steel wool pads here. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out. So that's the reason I didn't want to use it, because I felt like it was gonna start coming apart, and then I was gonna have to, well, I know I'm gonna have to clean that out anyway, but you know, we're just gonna see if we can bring this back. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there. Then I'm gonna start going around it and see if we can get off. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray a little bit on there, around the edge, around there. All right. I don't know, man. I guess it is getting a little bit of it off. See, and that was my whole thing right there, because that's another issue, you know, I had to have right there when I come to clean it out of there. Well, I guess it ain't that bad, but I guess I have to take some tape or something like that and try to get that out of there. I feel like the less stuff I can get in there, stuck down in there, the better. Yeah, because that's just to me, that's just a mess, you know what I'm saying? Having to try to get all of that out of there. Put that down in there and try to, I'm gonna have to get some duct tape, drop it down in there and try to get that out of there. A lot of this is where the paint chipped off it. I'm gonna just go to the back of the motor and see what I can get off back here. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty, this motor here is in pretty bad condition. So, just try to wipe that off, see what I can get out of it. See if I can get it clean a little bit. It look a little bit better. Like I say, the paint, I don't know, it's got so much corrosion on it and rust. Like it's rusted down in there. But like for example, this, I want to just try to spray some stuff to try to wipe that out of there. Man, I'm not sure, man, on this one. I'm not sure at all. Yeah, it's pretty rough right here. So I'm not sure. I mean, if it affects how good it work or not, but yeah, but that's why I didn't really want to use this steel wool pad, because I knew it'll put them little shards down in there, and I have to, you know, get those out of there. However, so you know, I don't know, man. It may not affect the, you know, how good it works. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get me some tape and put down in there. I should have picked some up when I was at Harbor Freight. When I go back out, I'm gonna get some and see if I can clean up in that gap down in there. Maybe this is just the best it's gonna be, considering, like I said, the weather, like, it took a toll on this. Now I'm sure it's another way to get this out. I think you can go buy some stuff and spray it on, and you know, and that'll probably be good. But like I said, I ain't no expert at this. Come on. Huh? Oh. Yeah, but like I say, man, I got this motor for free, so I ain't really, it don't really bother me, you know, too much that it ain't perfect or anything. But excuse me, I got this for free, man, so I ain't really tripping too much. But hopefully, I don't think it's gonna affect, you know, how it works or anything like that. But like I said, I'm gonna have to try to clear that out in there, and I might do that in another video. But I don't think it was a success on this. I don't really like using these right here because you just get a whole bunch of stuff down in there. Even if, because I actually need to clean this part, so that I don't really have a choice but to use it over there. So, you know, it ain't really doing what I needed to do. So y'all let me know if that rust gonna affect how good it works. Excuse me. I'm gonna try to take that out of there though. Get all them little pieces out of there. I'll give me a little tape, and I'm gonna roll with that. Now hopefully this, you know, it'll be all right, but we will find out eventually. So y'all let me know down in the comments what you do to get the rust off. Like I said, I want to try a different method. To do this. So need to get my tape together, and then I can do this part. Man, y'all be sure to use the link down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.